Okay. Good afternoon. It is Tuesday, October 27th, and on your screen is a live view of the Falcon 9 rocket as it awaits its 2:55 p.m. GMT daylight launch from Space Launch Complex 40, or Slick 40. I'm Mr. everyone. I'm a commentator here at RASX, and I'm your commentator for today's webcast. Our payloads for today is 60 Starlink satellites developed by RASX. If for some reason we are not able to launch today, we do have a backup window tomorrow at tomorrow at the same time. Let's take a look at the vehicle that will launch our payload today. This is the Falcon 9. It's a two-stage liquid fuel launch vehicle getting ready for launch for liftoff. It stands about 203 feet tall or 70 meters tall. The bottom two-thirds of the vehicle is the first stage, and it's designed to be reflown over 10 times. Minimal refers between flights. At the bottom of that first stage, there are 9 Merlin engines that get the Falcon 9 off the ground up to the thinner parts of the atmosphere. Before separating from second stage and making its way back down to Earth for landing. And this is the part of the rocket that will attempt to recover for the second time in our, of course, I still love you drone ship. And above that first stage, above that black inner stage band, is our second stage. At about T plus 1 minute into flight, the first and second stage will separate, and that second stage will ignite through the single MVAC engine that will carry the Starlink satellites to its intended orbit. The payload is currently safely enclosed inside the 70-foot diameter payload fairing. Structure on the very top of the rocket. This protects the satellites from aerodynamic heating, any kind of contamination that they might experience during ascent. But once we reach the vacuum of space, we no longer need those fairings, and we adjust them while the second stage continues to orbit. Also, we have a small surprise for you, and we will reveal it a few hours after its launch, so stay tuned. So, for the people that don't know what Starlink is a satellite internet constellation being constructed by RASX. This satellite constellation will provide satellite internet access to parts in Earth where the internet cable is inaccessible, or really bad Wi-Fi. So yeah, this will help us get better Wi-Fi for everyone, basically.
Agent Joe.
T minus 5 minutes. minus 2 minutes.
Okay, so right now the Falcon 9 is on startup. This means that the rocket flight computers have took over the controllers, the countdown. This means we are getting really close from liftoff and
FTS are saved.
another 60 batch to our Starlink constellation.
Minus 30 seconds.
So right now this is
T minus 15 seconds.
10,
10,
9,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
and liftoff! Liftoff of the Falcon 9 with another 60 batch of Starlinks to lower its orbit. So
Vehicle is pitching
in
downrange.
T minus 30. So basically
Stage
in
one
T plus
capacity
35
control.
seconds we should. So in T plus 35 seconds we shall see supersonic. This is a phase where the aerodynamic pressure is high. So what we do basically is we throttle up the Falcon 9. Then after we have passed the max Q phase, we're going to, yes, as you see we are now in max Q. This means that we'll have to throttle down after we pass max Q. We can just throttle up and keep going on with the mission. And normally in
Vacuum to
one,
chill.
we shall have one in what T minus plus 113. We shall see Miko. Now, yeah, here we go. It started. So three
Stage
events will
confirmed.
happen simultaneously. Stage separation.
ignition.
They shall main engine cut off. Stage separation and MVAC engine ignition. So yeah, as you can tell, the Falcon 9 successfully separated, and now the Falcon 9 first stage will keep going on and try to re-enter and land on Of Course I Still Love You. While the second stage keeps its journey to lower orbit.
Stage 1. Just the burner started.
So yeah, this start burn has started. This is to help bring down our velocity. So yeah, just to get ready to land. And then you can see the deployment of those grid fins, and this will help steer the vehicle in the lower atmosphere. And in T minus 2 plus 59, we shall see. Here we go. we should see the landing on. Of course, I still love you. So as you can see, Sage went.
Landing burn started.
Yeah. So alright, and here we go. I just hope for another successful landing for this booster. Landing leg deployments and success. The booster has landed. Now let's keep watching as the second stage continues to journey to low orbit. So now, just after you can see SECO, this means second engine cutoff. In T-minus 6 minutes, we shall see second engine starts, and in 6 minutes, T plus 6 minutes 4, we shall see SECO 2. Okay, hey everybody, we are back online. So yeah, we're now waiting for in T plus 7 minutes we shall see CS1, CS2, sorry. This means second engine starts, and after that at like 4 seconds after the burn, we shall see SECO 2. Here we go. The MVAC has started in just 4 seconds, and it should stop.
MVAC shut down.
Here we go. So now we have in T plus 8 minute we shall see the Starlink deployments. So yeah, the Starlinks are now in a lowered orbit, and we're getting ready to deploy them.
Starting deployment confirmed.
Here we go. Deployment. And here we go. Now we have this is the third batch of Starlink satellites we sent. So right now we have currently 180 Starlink satellites. From every launch, we are getting closer and closer to our goal of high-speed internet global connection. Um,
Starting deploy confirmed.
Wait, what? You sure? They're already deployed. Well, I don't have control to end live.